Let's have a huge round of applause. Keep clapping, everyone! Everyone, make some noise for our star, the most stylish, most talented, and we have.
I'm Sutinder Singh. I started this company and of course my children are all well educated and qualified. We are taking the business forward and we look forward to a growth with Apple and lot with other brands as well. So we are a 70 store partner with Apple. We wish to go up to 100 stores in the next 6 to 8 months or a year from now. So it is a very highly professionally managed company with all the processes in place. We have a huge team of 1,500 people working in our organization and we wish to grow professionally and ethically we drive our business.
Total how many stores in Hyderabad and next any expansion stores in Hyderabad?
Hyderabad we have about 20 stores of Aptronic. Overall in about 30 cities we have about 80 stores, 70 stores of Apple and 15 are service centers. So that is it and we wish to grow further and further.
Are you expanding?
Yeah, we are expanding. Dyson is there, then Onitsuka Tiger, a very prominent Japanese brand of high quality footwear. We have a lot of stores with them as well. Dyson is again a very prominent brand with personal care, air purifiers and floor care. It's a very premium brand. Of course, then we are getting into Shivan and Naresh. We already have Shantanu and Nikhil, Kaswa, Jaipur and a lot more brand that I cannot disclose right now. We are in talks with. So in the coming weeks or months that we will disclose what the brands are.
Is it complete premium products, sir?
Yeah.
How to respond to customers purchasing speed guards, pouches?
No, you see, since we are dealing with all the good brands, we get offers from all the premium brands, but we take up only what will justify in the Indian market. So the plans are there to get into better and better brands as well.
Today is
Services as well, yes, services as well.
Today you are offering 10% discount.
Yeah.
Today
It is for 4 days. It is from 30th to Sunday.
till Sunday.
Till Sunday.
All products.
All products.
Hi everyone, I'm Meghna Singh. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm the CEO of Aptronics India.
How does the launch of the biggest Apple store in Hyderabad mark a defining moment for Aptronics and its growth journey in India?
I think this is one of the most emotional stores for us because we are Hyderabadis. We started our business from here. The maximum number of stores that we have are in Hyderabad. And Sarath, this mall, is a iconic mall. It's in the top 5 of the country and it is also by Hyderabadis. So two powerhouses coming together to open the largest store, not just in India, but across a lot of regions. This is a massive store. And the kind of quality of experience people get here is completely different from what people are used to in the Apple ecosystem here in India. So it means a lot to us and I'm sure the customers are also really going to appreciate it.
What does this landmark store launch reflect about Aptronics' commitment to delivering a world-class Apple retail experience to Indian consumers?
Okay, so Apple is sold in a lot of places, right? And everybody talks about experience. But what does experience actually mean? Not many people can answer that question. At Aptronics, what we care about is only why should a customer come to me and not go anywhere else? Is the question, is the answer inventory, pricing, what is it? But at the end of the day, we like to engage with customers, and we like to create bonds with them like family. And what is most important to us for customers is two things. One is customer trust. That being there, and that being there forever, is more important than sale for us. And second thing is that how can we make customers' lives better? If we are not able to answer that question, then I don't think Aptronics would be successful. I feel sales, discounts, numbers, all of that is byproducts. What is the most important is answering these fundamental questions.
How have consumer-led initiatives like Limitless Aptronic Exchange contributed in strengthening the strength and long-term loyalty for the brand?
So initiatives like these that we are coming out with, the way our mind is working, even with the store launch offer, if you see, it's minimum 10% off everything, no terms, no conditions, and everything is available. People usually give a lot of deceptive communication about offers. So we've taken the clutter out. If you look at Aptronics communications, there'll be no star terms and conditions anywhere. There'll be no deceptive marketing. Limitless exchange is also something where we wanted customers to be able to generate value from things they already have in their houses and to be able to upgrade that to the Apple ecosystem while also contributing towards e-waste. What we've seen as response is customers in India, the kind of people care, and people are really respecting and responding to this. It's not like you will expect an immediate 100% jump in sales, but that's not my agenda also. To be able to connect to a customer's emotions and to be able to make a bond with them and make their life better in any way. We have seen about 30% increment in our new customer base only because of initiatives like these.
What was the strategic thought behind collaborating with Naga Chaitanya and Shobita Dilipala for Aptronics campaign, and how do they align with the brand's premium and aspirational positioning?
I think again Shobita and Chaitanya, I mean, they are very strong. Their roots are here in South India with us from Telangana, Vizag, and it was very important that when we are coming with a very public figure for a brand like Aptronics, we want to pay tribute to our Hyderabadi roots. And I think there is no better, and Aptronics is actually a very family run and family oriented business. We look at our team as family, customers as family. It is run by family. It's a family run business, me and my father, my brother. So we did not want to just bring one known personality. The thought behind bringing a couple is to be able to, create that wholesome feeling of being together, just replicating that.
Aptronics continue to raise the bar in premium tech retail. What excites you the most about the brand's next phase following the major Hyderabad launch?
I think once you see stores like these, what we're saying about this is that the future's here. You're going to see a lot of stores which already are there to get slowly upgraded to this format, as and when you also see new presences wherever it is deserved in the country, whether it is tier 3 or 4. Every consumer now wants an Apple product. So while we are going to upgrade the current existing formats wherever they deserve a better experience, we're going to go deeper into more regions rather than them having to travel to a main city to buy an Apple product. And in terms of initiatives, I think Limitless Exchange, being transparent about terms, conditions, these things are just, it's not like I would say, oh, we've done this, we've done such a big thing, we're done. It's just started. If you're not doing more things, better things, different things, then we're not growing. So we have a couple of things lined up and you'll see them very soon. Got a generic communication running everywhere of minimum 10% discount on any product at Aptronics. No terms, no conditions. So whether you want to buy just an iPhone case, AirPods, a speaker, or an Apple product, minimum 10% off, no question. But having said that, on the main Apple products which are in demand, iPhone 17, MacBook Air, iPad. There are much higher offers. I think we'll brief you properly with the exact creatives. But whatever we are committing as the number, that is the absolute flat discount. It's not like, oh, we are showing that there's a discount, but then actually the value is accessory bundle mila ke, or trying to inflate the discount amount. It is a very straight up discount, no confusion. So it's a great time to shop for anybody who wants to buy Apple products for themselves or for their families. We're running the offers till Sunday.
So I'm Nishant Kumar and I head the business operations for country for Aptronics. So at Aptronics, while sales is one of the metrics for us, the most important metric which we consider is consumer experience. We are very clear with our teams, a sale lost is fine, but a consumer low on experience is simply not acceptable. So consumer experience is something we live and die for. That's Aptronics for all of you guys.
This is first store in
So this store is basically the largest APP format store, and APP is a global format Apple store. This is the largest APP store being launched in the country by Aptronics. And what better the location than Sarat City Mall, which is already the largest mall in the country. So we are looking forward. So we are already receiving a lot of great reactions and inputs from our consumers, the Aptronics family. We look forward to a very grand launch, and we look forward to setting some real benchmarks and milestones in the history of Apple launches in the country.